In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a Flodesk form on your Squarespace website. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Flodesk dashboard and click on Forms up here at the top. And then you can either click to create a new form, or you can select an existing form by clicking on the three little dots right here in the upper right hand corner that pop up when you mouse over it, and just selecting Embed, and you'll get your embed codes. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm actually going to walk you through the process of creating a new form. So you're going to click Create New, and then you get to choose a form template. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed an inline template because there's an extra step there that's not involved in embedding a pop-up template. So I'm going to select inline. I'm going to choose my form. And then you're going to want to choose a segment that subscribers who opt into this form will be automatically added to. So I'm just going to pick a random segment that I have here. And then this is your form builder. So this is where you can customize the fonts, colors, the image, the background style for your form. And once you're done doing that, you're going to click Next. And you're going to be presented with two options. The first one is whether or not to be notified when a new subscriber opts into your list. I strongly recommend selecting no because it's going to be super annoying if you're getting an email every single time someone opts into your list, unless you have a very low opt-in rate. Click Continue. And then you get to select what happens when the form is submitted. So you can either display a simple success message, or you can redirect subscribers to a URL. This is a great option if you want to kind of up your online marketing game a little bit. You can redirect subscribers to a custom confirmation page that prompts them to take further action. You can redirect them to a Tripwire sales page if you want to make a little bit of extra money or promote your larger ticket items down the road. So this is a great option. Once you choose, click Continue, and then you're going to be presented with your embed codes. So the first thing you want to do is copy this header code here, pop on over to your Squarespace website, click on Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and then you can see where I've already put a placeholder for this code. I'm going to pop it right here in the header section. Click Save, and then I'm just going to go back to the Home menu. Go back over to Flodesk and copy the inline code. Now, if you're embedding a pop-up form on your website, the header code is all you need, and that's all that will show if you selected a pop-up form. For inline forms, you need the inline code, and you need to put that exactly where you want the form to show up on your website. So I'm going to add this form to a blog post. So I'm going to go into Pages, Blog. You can add this anywhere on your site that you want. And then I'm going to add it to this blog post and click Edit. I'm just going to add it right at the top to make it easier to see. You're going to add a code block here. Remove the code that's already there, drop in your Flodesk form code, apply, save it out. And in preview mode, the form is not going to show up. Scripts are always disabled when you're logged into your own website and you're editing. But if you go to the blog post when you're logged out of your website, the form will show up. So there's your form.